Okay, still in topic B, we are also going to be working on subtracting fractions with unlike denominators. And again, we look at a problem like this and we see that the units of this are different and we cannot add them or subtract them when they have different units. So we have to rename them so that they have units that are the same. So just like before, we're going to use our area model to help understand that. I'm going to draw those two rectangles. I'm going to divide this one up into fifths as best I can. And I'm going to divide this one into thirds. And then I will shade my 3/5. And I will shade my 1/3. And then I'm going to look for that common denominator, some kind of unit that's the same. And I see that they both go into 15, so I'm going to divide this one into 3 parts and this one into 5 parts. And now I can see that this 3/5 is the same as 3, 6, 9 15ths. And that 1/3 is the same as 5 15ths. And now they are easily subtracted. 9 15ths minus 5 15ths, 4 15ths. At the same time, we also want them to be able to do this with mixed numbers, to be able to subtract with them. So now our model looks like this. 1 and 4/7 minus a half. So I'm going to again shade in what I have. Notice I had to use 2 rectangles to represent 1 and 4/7 because it is a whole and 4 more sevenths. Or another way to look at that would be 7/7 plus 4/7. Again, we are decomposing a number into its parts so that we can rename it in a way that helps us to add or subtract. I'm going to get rid of this right now. And then over here we've got 1/2. I forgot to shade that in. Okay. Now again we're looking for that common denominator, and 7 and 2 are both factors of 14. So this I'm going to just divide in half, like that. Oh, I should have done this. I can do the 7ths here too. Not really necessary, but sometimes it helps kids to think of it that way. So now I've got 14 14ths and 8 14ths. 1 and 8 14ths. Still 1 and 4/7, the same amount, but a different way of renaming it. This one I've got to divide into 7 parts. And now I've got 7 14ths over here. Now again, I don't need to really do the 1 for this one because I have enough 14ths here to subtract there. So another way I could have looked at this was to say this is just 1 and 8 14ths. And now 1 and 8 14ths minus the 7 14ths, I can just think about it like 1 plus 8 14ths minus 7 14ths, which is equal to 1 and 1 14th.